Hi everyone, are you teaching on Zoom? Do you want to use the power of OBS for camera switching and content switching? I'm going to show you how to add a plugin to feed the OBS preview window out to Zoom. To install the plugin for OBS, we're going to navigate to this website here, and I have a link in the description down below. It's called OBS Virtual Cam. The current version is 2.0.5. And we can go to, it shows information, the overview of what it does. It shows that we have two options. One is to do the preview output, and the other is to install a source filter. We're going to do the preview output. It's a little bit easier. So let's go here to this page. We're going to click on download, and it has downloaded a copy of the installer. I've got my download here. I'm going to double click it to install. Follow the standard instructions here. Next. Leave the default program file / OBS Studio. It's automatically going to put it in the proper plugin folders and install. Now, most likely you only need one virtual camera, so just leave it as one. Install, close. So now in my Zoom window, it doesn't show OBS camera yet. So let me close out Zoom. I'm going to restart Zoom, and hopefully it should see it now. So here's my Zoom window. Let's go to my settings, video, and there it is, OBS camera. So I'm going to choose OBS camera. Now this is the output to OBS from OBS, but I'm not running OBS yet. So now let's open OBS. So here we have OBS, and look at that, it's already running. Now this is taking it from my Logitech camera. This is my webcam, and I'm going to change it to my other camera that I'm using for this recording here, my Note 4 camera. There we go, right there. My green screen needs to be adjusted a little bit. But the tool will end up here under Tools and Virtual Cam. Okay. When it says Virtual Cam, we want to start. If it hasn't started already, now let me stop it just to show you how that works. So here's my Zoom window, and here's the picture that it's showing from the background. And if I click on Start, it brings in my picture. Now check this out. What I've shown you before in my other videos is I can switch between different cameras, and in the Zoom window, it shows up. Now there's a slight delay from my talking to you and what you're seeing on the screen from these inputs, simply because of the delay from going through it, but your audience won't be able to tell. Okay, it's all going to be on time for them. So that's installing the OBS plugin to give you your virtual camera. So that is adding the OBS plugin to OBS to be able to feed out to Zoom. Thanks for watching. Remember to click like and subscribe and leave me a comment on what else you'd like me to cover. Thanks so much.